Tired of wrestling with messy data? DatumFuse.AI transforms raw CSV files and spreadsheets into stunning, insightful visuals instantly. Introducing Automated AI Visualization. No configuration needed. Just upload your CSV and let our AI do the work. Let's try it with Apple's financial data. Simply choose your file and click Generate Chart. Behind the scenes, our AI analyzes the data, understands the columns, and determines the single best chart type to reveal the primary insight. Instantly, a professional stock chart with Bollinger Bands and moving average. Ready to use. Now, let's try it with U.S. agricultural export data. This time, the AI correctly identifies a bar chart as the best visual, highlighting the top 10 states. You get a clean, high-quality, presentation-ready visual every time. Download it and drop it directly into your report or presentation. All your past jobs and generated files are available right in your personal dashboard. Stop building charts. Start discovering insights. DatumFuse.AI. Try it free during our public beta.